How to fix SIM card no service on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix no service on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you're facing this issue where you have installed your SIM card but you're still not getting your service, the first step I recommend you guys take is force restart your iPhone. To do that, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After that, you can release the side button and your iPhone will restart. After restarting the iPhone, check if you have the service on the top right corner right here. If you get the service, great for you, but if you still don't have the service, I recommend you guys to take out your SIM card. So just take out your SIM card once and then put it back in again. After doing that, your problem might get fixed. If that does not fix it, open up your settings app. After you open up your settings app, scroll down till you find general, tap on it. After you tap on general, scroll down all the way and there you will see an option called transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone and there you'll see the reset option. Tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. After you reset your network settings, your problems should get fixed. And if that does not fix your issue, what you can do is you can just check if there is an issue on your hardware of your device. So go to your nearest service store and then try to get it checked, and if there is an issue, get it fixed. If not, you will need to head over to your SIM card provider to just make sure that the SIM card is working and there is no problem in that. And yeah, that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye.